The last night, I said me I work at one club. One of my friends tell me, so she not really go back to Jamaica. Because you know when you go a small island, you can't stay in the people them country for more than 6 months. I said me I go back to Jamaica. My friend them said them not go back to Jamaica. Them book them ticket go to Virgin Island because them know one man will own own one of the artist club them over there, and them have to go. Me never did know say you even need visa for go such country. So when them give me the man number now, you know you have to send your picture and everything. Send my picture to show me how the man look. The man fall in love with me instantly. When me and the man upon the video call, I never see the man full body anything. I always half a face. But no true me I talk to the man, me not really think so if I tell the man to show me him whole full body. Because me yes the man rich at him own multiple clubs over there. So me not really mention a focus on him whole entire look. But just a focus on what me I see on the screen. The man said me too cute for working in a club. Him no want me work in a club. Me say, well, too bad for you because some I rent for pay a Jamaica and me need money. The man said, listen, I'm going to send you back to school. We are going to talk. I'm going to send you back to school. I'm going to take you out of the club. You see the club where me one in a Virgin Island. I'm not going to allow you to come and work in here. You're a beautiful girl. Me I send you to school. I will take care of you until we get your visa because your visa not take for getting a 1 day. Him say he want to see me before we go back to Jamaica. Alright then. Mr. Me all me not believe the man. Because I say, boy, the amount of man we go through and all of this thing. Me come a point to me just not believe no how them stay. When you look, me if I go back to Jamaica, say about 1 week after, so me never buy my ticket yet. When you look, the man buy me my ticket because me never have the visa for go Virgin Island. So, and true, him live at Virgin Island, so the only way we did go meet, and it closer, him say we for meet to Antigua. So him will fly go to Antigua. Me go fly go to Antigua. We spend about 2 weeks at one hotel there. Get to know each other and then we fly back to Jamaica. My little heart did a pump in my chest because I don't know this man from nowhere. I never see this man. I only meet this man 1 hour business days. I don't know nothing about them man. The man just tell me his name. I don't remember what letter it start with. But as a little young girl, we just want bad. Run from me had so much time. My mother don't want me back down there. Me live for me home. Me live with my friend. My friend kicked me out her house. Me alone living in Jamaica. Me not have nothing. So me did have it. I suck up. Me have to sell up my do my thing them for survive. So, me say, alright then, me will come to Antigua. So then when me say the man buy me the ticket, the man say man send me 1,000 US. So I can shop and buy some clothes because I be a bath suit me having an Antigua and be because anytime I did that bleach. Be a bath suit and be a little bleaching joggers and the thing them. So the man send me 1,000 US and say, me for take that go shop buy, do my ear, do my nails and get ready for come to Antigua and buy some clothes. You see when I see the man buy the ticket, I say, that really move me neither. Because I probably buy my ticket for me come working at the club. Oh well. When I see the man send me the 1,000 US, I say, alright, the man is serious. I say, yeah, the man is serious. Guys, I did go shopping. I don't know them. So when you really need money, it stresses you out. And before you get the money, you sit down and you plan everything what you're going to do. You tell yourself, so you're going to pay your rent with this. You're going to I mean, alone do this. Before I get the money, I plan out what I'm going to do with the money. I don't get the money yet, you know. But I'm talking in my mind, say, alright, that I go buy food, that I go pay rent, you know. I pay my fee with that, and I go. But when the money come, the money done. I forgot about everything when I say me go buy down a yard. Me forgot about every bills that I go pay down a yard. I spend the whole 1,000 US for shoes, clothes, hair, makeup. Me buy. Me all like a people tip like me rich. Like me make it just because I say the man send me the $1,000. Anyway now. Moving forward, get the money and do the shopping and whatever. Fly go to Antigua. Reach before the man. When I see the man a come, you know. Can't see the man a come, can't see the man a come. The man a take long, man flight delay, whatever. Me I get impatient because the hotel said I can't book until 4 o'clock. Me reach way before 4 o'clock. Them not in the room ready, whatever. Anyway, now I see my phone start ring, the man a call me. The man a say, what me there? I say, I'm sitting at the front outside. Him say, I walk come down, but him not see me. I see a big man a walk, you know. But I refuse to tell myself that is the man a come to me. And I sit down on the phone and I say, I don't see you, sir. And him said, what color you in? I'm tell him, and him say, are you that? I'm say, you sure see are you that I come? And so me see a man a walk a come. The man big. When I say big, me not talk just saying it big. Me mean B-I-G big. Very big, large, humongous or whatever the word name. Very, very big. Me start crying, live in eye water. Me never know I could have scanned somebody. It's a sin for scanning. If I scan a body kind of more than a body, but me never know my skin could have trembled for somebody like that. Because one thing, don't get me wrong, you have thick people and you have fat people, but them carry themselves so good when you don't even realize that them fat. But this a man coming like him come from the back of the world. This a man coming like him come from the back of the world. The man come at the people them hotel, very, very huge, and him coming a crop top. Him coming a crop top, cause any blouse or shirt was top of your belly, a crop top. The man whole entire belly is flipping outside. Each time him walk, the belly a walk. When the man lift up him hand, it's like this is Pluto, or this is Jupiter, and this is Mars. Or this is the whole United States, and then this maybe be Black Jamaica or something, I don't know. The man and them heavy. The man have a tall mustache. It's short, but it's full of white. I don't know if him just eat something and it messed up. I don't know how long it did it. I don't know if it did it for 3 business days. I don't know if it did it 1 hour ago. I don't know if it did it over a year now. It white, and it not only white and look fresh, it look white and still it look like it dry. When him come closer now, the side of him mouth full of be white. Him ear is like a Chinese bomb, but I'm not really Chinese bomb. Start crying. Live in eye water. Live in eye water. The man see me, and it's like the man stretch out him hand for hug me. Me they go give the man a soft hug. The man drag me can't breathe. Me start wonder if the man gonna kill me. Start cry. The man ask me what me I cry for. But I say me emotional, me I go through whole heap. The man tell me I could go eat some food. Me shame like that because in the direction where the man I go be a young hot boy. Be a young hot boy and hot girl. And me I tell you say me look good and me and this big fat man I go eat. You see if the man did act like him and my friend would enjoy myself, but the man want to walk and hold me by my side. The man want to walk and hold me by my hand. The man want to walk and hold me around my hips. The man show the whole of Antigua said me a fee, and me never like it. We got the table and we order one food. The man order 2 burger. The man could have ordered 1 burger for him to make it look the way. The man ordered 2 burger and 2 fries. You know how 2 different plates that I come. And then me I come with my 1 plate and my juice. And he might tell me, say, when I put on my food, I go back for your juice. Because I can't walk, go back for your juice. Start cry, God. But that's not the worst part. When we're done everything now, I will go upstairs. But just meet the man, you know. The man that he was making breeze me till tomorrow. Or next day. Me just meet the man. And when we reach upstairs, the man want bust out my little slippers, guys. Guys, me don't know. Me could. Guys, as I could. Me try. And me try over 10 times and it not work. The man tell me, say, if me and him for go sleep, he give me $5,000. But the $5,000 is only good to be true. Because why a man just want to give me $5,000 for bucking up my slippers? Me myself didn't think my mom good enough to get $5,000 at the time. So me overthink, me is a overthinker, you know. One, me start thinking to myself, say, I wonder if the man have some sickness and him just want to give me it, God. That's what me think, you know. Me I think to myself, say, after some The man you want pass on for me. Make him give me 5,000. Something not right.
Hey guys, what's up beautiful people? It's your girl Nadia Official. Why? One thing about Ivany, she always come talk her truth, She always come tell her story them, and I know Ivany tell her story them of when time she was a dancer. Why? That's why you can't grudge nobody for what them have. It don't make no sense to no bad mind. Because the things them what people will do, forget where they reach, uno nah go do it. The things them what people will do for survive, uno nah go do it. So when uno see people are enjoy their success, left them make them enjoy their success because you nah go put yourself in a those type of circumstances to reach where them reach. So leave people and them things alone. Why me I tell you no? A whole heap of things Ivany go through. And she live her life on the media. So no for uno know all of the things them what she go through in her life. So now when time uno see she buy her nice car and things are going for her, celebrate with her. Celebrate with her. Because a whole heap of sadness she meet before she meet happiness. It is what it is, people. Just always remember, say, in a life you're happy. When you want good, you know have to run. And sometimes you have to make sacrifice to reach where you want to reach. When you don't know, say this is your girl Nadia Official. Always keep things real. Always keep things official. Big up on yourself out there, people. Thanks to each and every one of you guys out there who take time out of your busy schedule to watch a video for me. Thank you for the likes, the comments, the shares, and the DM messages. And to all of me top supporters, them with the bad side on the name. A huge shout out to each and everyone out who don't know, say gratitude is a must. Humbleness is a must. Big up on yourself, big respect. People, me I go post part 2. This is just part 1. Big up on yourself. Yeah, big respect. And who don't know, say the YouTube channel is there and it's called Naked with Nadia. The Facebook is there and it's called Naked with Nadia Unfiltered. The Instagram and the TikTok is called Naked with Nadia or Nadia_official_FR. Do the right thing now. Like up all of the platform, they make the thing stronger because you don't know say a phone place. Yes, so on free to comment whatever you want to comment. No comment has ever been deleted. Me not do that something, me not delete comment. Freedom of speech me promote, but do so respectfully. Always keep that in mind. You understand me? Nobody go behind your keyboard and type it. Because you no feel say you no dey behind a keyboard. Remember, words have meaning and people have feelings out there. So be kind with your words and think twice before you put your fingers to a keyboard. Big up on yourself out there, people. Big respect. Peace. I'm out. Bye.